Child, I might have, I wasn't prepared for this look. Like, I had thought I had the idea in my head, and it did something to my spirit. You know, this is your girl, Jasmine Katrina, and I pulled some type of holiday glam on y'all, for y'all. So if you like this look, stay tuned so you can see how I can put it all together. I will say the palette's $10 from my favorite place in the world, Target. So stay tuned if you want to see how this all came together, and thank you so much for watching. All right, okay, so today's gonna be a fun look. I wanted to do a really glam look, but this palette comes from Target. This eyeshadow palette was literally $10, and so we're gonna pick out a couple of the colors in here, but I wanted you guys to see it. Really pretty colors, and this palette was $10. So I'm going full glam, lashes, bold lip, contour, like the full shebang. So first things first, we're gonna moisturize. I'm gonna use my Milk moisturizer. This has been so good. Just a little more. Great if you have dry skin. For primer, Milk HYDROGRIP. Probably gonna, actually no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do my eyes first today. So let's go ahead and start with the brows, and then we'll go right into the eyes. Hope you guys have been well. As soon as I find my brow pencil, where did it go? Alrighty, so in this palette, I am going to use, I'm gonna go with a dark brown first. So we're gonna take this, this dark brown as our first shade. And we're gonna put it right up here. So now I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna use the blue. Yeah, real bold. I know. So for lashes, I want something super bold. And we're gonna place them right on top like that. Okay. All right. Now that's done, let's take care of our foundations. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of contour. This is the JUVIA'S stick in shade Congo. A little bit, you know, I'm still learning, so we're just gonna take a little here, and a little here, and right at the edge. And then I got some new sponges, so I'm gonna take one of these. And that's what we'll use to blend in the contour. Cool. We're gonna go in, I think I want a little blush for this look. Blush duo and highlighter set. And we're gonna go right on top of the contour, so just right here. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna use the same duo pack. And we're gonna just do a little bit of rose gold right on top. All right. Yeah. Now for my lips, I wanted to do a bold red. So I think I'm gonna mix these two. This is from MORPHE Cosmetics and the color BLOODSHOT. This is by the ColouredRaine, the same duo by Power, and the color HOMOCIDE. So first, I'm gonna line my lips with my COLOURPOP lip liner, and this is in MAMACITY. Okay, I'm gonna use BLOODSHOT. This might be it. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this Homicide Red. I'm just gonna go back in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this might be the boldest look I've ever thought of, ever. Whoo, child. Woo. Y'all, oh my goodness, how do we feel? All right, I'm just gonna go a little bit back in with my Mamacity liner. Okay, apply this. Lashes are gonna kill me. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this video right here because if not, I'll never get off of this. But this, I mean, if I were going somewhere festive for the holidays, this is it. I really liked what I came up with, and the fact that you can make this look out of a $10 eyeshadow palette is wonderful. So I got the palette from Target. Feel free to shop there. They have a myriad of really cool eyeshadows and shadow palettes for the low. Yeah, wow, God. Wow, we did this. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up because this video is getting a little long, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned to the next video. And all the things, join the community, join the tribe. I love talking faith, lifestyle, beauty with you guys. Make sure you share this video. Duh. And until we meet again, and until next time, be well, do well, and be safe.